Hello guys, welcome back to Agado69. In the last video I showed you a hidden message that is hidden on the Xbox One controller, and I said today I'm going to be cleaning up those controllers. So I'm going to show you those controllers now. As you can see, it's not the neatest at the moment. It's not the neatest at the moment. And the other one too. So since you are going to be needing to clean up this controller is the isopropyl alcohol. We have Moco isopropyl alcohol. This alcohol will not damage the insides of the Xbox controller, and we need cotton wool also. At least that's what I use to clean my controllers, cotton wool. So you open up your isopropyl alcohol, set the cover down, pour a little into the cover. I spilled a little there, but comes with the job, I guess. So you dab your cotton wool into the isopropyl alcohol and you clean. You don't need to have any fear about it damaging the insides of the controller, because it won't. You clean. See, I clean the thumbsticks. Yes, believe me, isopropyl alcohol will do nothing to damage your controller or any gadget, any device. So clean around the thumbstick. Clean the buttons too. Clean the buttons. Clean this upper side. You see, this cotton wool is pretty dirty now, so I have to change it. So I have another one here. So clean the sides. Clean the other side too. Clean the bottom. Clean the bottom of the controllers. And there you have it. That's all about cleaning the controller. You can also clean your other controllers like the PS4 controller, the PS5 controller, the Xbox Series S and X controller this way. It also works. Yes, clean. So let's grab the other controller and clean that one also. As you can see, it's also not the neatest at the moment. So you dab your cotton wool into the alcohol. It's all dried up, so you pour a little bit more. Please don't mind me spilling. So clean it well. Please give me video suggestions. What should I do? Well, I'll be making some FIFA gameplay videos very soon. Some FIFA gameplay videos very soon, coming soon, guys. Subscribe and turn on your notifications to get notified when I drop those videos. Subscribe, please subscribe. And I'll be making an Xbox One versus Xbox 360 video very soon. Boom, the phone fell, but now it's back. Sorry guys, I don't have a tripod stand, so I just have to keep managing it this way. And that's all about cleaning. So check it out now. It's still gonna dry up, so check this out. No dust. The before versus after. It's way better. Looks way better now. Looks way better. Check this one out too. See? No more dust particles coagulated on the D pad. So thank you guys. If you have any questions to ask me, you can share with me in the comment section below. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.